Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create smooth velocity edit on Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Capcut application, and first of all, I'm going to create new project, and I'm going to go to the Capcut library and search for the dance video. For example, I'm just going to use this video to create velocity edit because I don't have any footage to be edited. Okay, and then we're going to add music to our project. Click on add audio, select sounds, and you can add the music you want to use for your velocity edit. And I'm going to select music from the Capcut. I'm going to select music from the beats category, and I'm gonna go with this one, beat way up. Okay, now the music has been added to my project, and then we can tap on our video and go to the effect menu, select style. Okay, then here you can choose the velocity category, and you can choose the free velocity effect, this one guys. Select the flash velocity. Okay, and the effect will be automatically applied to your video. Okay, it's according to the duration of your audio and your video as well. Alright, and now the velocity edit has been created guys. This is the result, and if you're not satisfied with the result, you can adjust it. Just go to the adjust menu, and then here you will be able to adjust the beat frequency, speed, and also the strength. And for example, I'm just going to reduce the beat frequency, and let's see how it looks. Okay, and then I'm going to increase the strength as well, like this. If you're still not satisfied, you can click on refresh, and you can apply the velocity effect again to your video. Okay, and here I'm going to show you one more time how the video looks like. Alright, as you can see guys, that the velocity effect has been applied, and that's so easy, right? We just need to select the velocity effect, and the velocity edit will be created automatically according to the music beat. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create smooth velocity edit on Capcut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.